HostZone Review. Hey, it's Will Weatherly here, and welcome to my HostZone Review. So what I want to do in this review is have a look at my written review, take a look at the headline, go into the software itself, show you around, and then return to my blog, look at the upgrades, the OTOs, as well as the bonuses that I put together for those of you who pick up HostZone through my link. And then what I want to do is hand you over to a demo. So you can see the headline here: sick of wasting money on hosting that's too slow, too limited, and too expensive. Get blazing fast hosting for unlimited websites and domains. 100% uptime guarantee for a shockingly low one-time fee. So yes, instead of paying monthly as you would with Bluehost or SiteGround or any of the major hosting services, you're going to be able to pay one time for only $17 and not have to pay every month as you would with the major hosting companies. And you're going to get what you get with those companies. You're going to be able to get unlimited domains. You're going to get this 100% uptime guarantee and free migration support, as well as being able to send out unlimited emails. And so we're going to go inside and have a look at what you're going to get here. If you're unfamiliar with WordPress, you have no concerns because I've got training here that's going to walk you through how to set up a website A through Z, and then you're also going to have the ultimate resource list for WordPress, because you can see my blog right here. This is a blog that I manage. I'm a WordPress user, and a lot of the other affiliates who are promoting this are not promoting on their blog as I do. A blog is central to my business, so I'm going to give you my full training on how the blog that I own is central to my business, and that's my flagship course, Profit Cyclone, as well as OTO number 1, which is the pro version. And so you're going to get all of these very useful bonuses here having to do with WordPress and how I sold my previous blog. So if you want to create a blog and after 6 months to a year, go ahead and sell it, I'm going to show you how to do that. And then advanced backlinking strategies so you can go ahead and rank your blog as well. Okay, so that's what I have for you. We're going to look at my bonuses once we go inside the members area. I just want to let you know that I have a lot of experience with WordPress. So once you land inside the members area here, you're going to have services over here, you're going to have billing over here, you're going to have support over here, and then you can open a ticket with support over here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go here where it says log into control panel and then click on this. So this is going to take you to the control panel here. And so what you've got here are your domains, databases, email accounts, DNS functions. So if you've had hosting before or you currently have hosting, then you are familiar with what you've got here. So you can see here file, system lock, antivirus scan, file manager, FTP accounts, backup, disk usage, log viewer, fix account issues, and your domains here, your custom SSL certificate, and then you've got databases here. And so what you're going to want to do to get WordPress installed is go here where it says script installers and then click on where it says Softaculous. So this is how you're going to go ahead and install your WordPress. It's a very simple process. However, if you don't know how to install WordPress, I'm going to show you how to do that with the training that I have for you. It's very beginner friendly, walking you through exactly how to get WordPress set up. All you're going to do here is press install, and then you're going to want to get your plugins set. And I'm going to show you the best plugins to use because I have used a lot of the various plugins with WordPress, and I'm going to show you the best ones that you will want to use. Okay, you've got Joomla over here, and then you've got some other scripts as well that you can use. Most people use WordPress, and that's what I recommend for your script. What I want to do now is head back to my blog and have a look at the upgrades as well as my custom bonuses. As for the OTOs of HostZone, OTO number 1 is the unlimited version. OTO number 2 is the done for you. OTO number 3 is the done for you platinum package. OTO number 4 is agency, and this is a way that you're going to be able to copy and paste the vendor's profitable web hosting business. And then OTO number 5 is reseller, where you can sell HostZone as your own product and keep 100% across the entire funnel. Now, with a product like this, I would recommend actually picking up the reseller, because then you're going to be able to go ahead and sell this to clients. And that is something that a lot of people want. A lot of people want cheap hosting that is reliable. And this really ticks all the boxes for a reseller license, because you're going to be able to entice people for a one-time payment with a very complete hosting service, as you would find with the major hosting services. So I would strongly consider picking up the reseller. Even at $297, that's a great deal. You'll be able to make a couple of sales and then make it back very quickly. As far as my custom bonuses, I've got some training here on how to create a blog, a review blog in my case. And this is a multi-video tutorial showing how to get a domain that ranks fast in the search engines. And then I've got Profit Cyclone and OTO #1. Now, Profit Cyclone is my flagship course that shows how I earn each and every day online. And then you're going to get the upgrade, the pro version as well. So that's a great value that you're getting here. Ultimate resource list for WordPress. Here you're going to get the exact plugins that you're going to want to use, the best themes to use, and so on. Content marketing for your blog. My reviews collection blog case study. And these are case studies that show how I've earned money with my blog. Case study of how I sold my previous blog, Income Online Review, on Flippa for $1,600. Advanced backlinking strategies to help you rank on the search engines. WordPress website security, WordPress engagement boost, blog and ping automator, how to identify the best and fastest WordPress themes, and then all the vendor bonuses which have been given to me to give to you. Now, as far as the premium bonuses go, I worked out some bonuses with the vendor to give to you exclusively, and they are listed here on my blog, so you can go ahead and have a look at these. So if you are on my blog, what you can do is you can go ahead and click this button here. Click here to get HostZone plus all relevant bonuses. That's going to take you to the sales page. And then when you check out, all of my bonuses will be waiting for you. If you're on YouTube, you're going to see a link in the description that's going to take you to this blog. And then when you check out, all of my bonuses will be waiting for you. So that's it for my HostZone review. Hold on for the demo that's coming up next.
So you can see it is look like very similar with A2 hosting. You can see on here A2 hosting, it is the multi-million dollar hosting company, and we have used same technology, say not the same, just a similar technology to design UI. Okay, it is very similar UI. You can see on here it is A2 hosting, and here you can see home services, domain, billing, support, open ticket and account. And you can see on here, and you can see you will get similar like, okay, home services, billing, support and ticket. And you can see some icons. So what you need to do, yeah, let's jump into cPanels. Click on the my services. And if for example, if you are going to purchase just front end, then you will get this type this type menu. Okay, so click on the active button on here, and scroll down and click on the login to cPanel. Okay, and you can see our cPanel is designed is very professional and very user friendly, look like TMD hosting. Okay, you can see here you can manage everything. Look like your plan status, your MySQL data and your email and your domains, your subdomains, your FTP account, and your users, which country they are visiting, and everything. Okay, and you can see on here CPV settings on here and file manager. And if you're going to click on a file manager, then you can get a professional file manager. Okay, you can see on here, just a minute, look on here. This is a complete professional file manager. Here you can upload and download any kind of data which you have provided in your website. Okay, sorry. So you can see I have hosted on domains. You can see on here everything. Okay, and let's scroll down, and you can see you can connect domains and subdomain. And the best part is auto SSL. You don't need to buy any SSL. And PHP, MySQL, email domains, domain forwarder, autoresponder, okay, and everything. If you're going to buy A2 hosting and Bluehost hosting, then you will get similar hosting services on this HostZone server, okay. So don't need to spend monthly fee for hosting. And look on here. Here is scripted where is script here you can install a WordPress. That is very uh, good feature, okay. So what let's first of all let's jump on the domain here, and you can see on here, if you want to connect a domain, that is very unique and very simple, and single click you can uh, you can add a domain, okay. Like I have already added a domain. So if you want to add a new domain, simply you just put your domain on here, like dot in. After then you need to change the name server, okay, and I have another separate videos about that. After then you can go to install a script, okay. If you go to click on here install a script, then you can install WordPress, and you can see this is a very unique application dashboard, and here I have hosted around 300 plus applications, which you can build your blogging website, your e-commerce store, your YouTube clone, your social media channels, your social networking sites, your gaming site, your mailing site, your poll site, everything you can see on here. Anything you can build, your educational site, real estate. So we have hosted around 300 applications, okay. So you don't need to worry about. Simply click the WordPress and you can install now, and it is very simple and very unique. So you can see I have previously installed. So we are going to delete it, and I am going to reinstall in front of you, okay. And it's very simple, with just one single click and your WordPress will installed, okay. So let's install WordPress and delete just directory, and you can choose HTTPS and auto, and just simple single click you can choose the themes, and we have hosted unlimited just a professional themes. You can choose anyone. You can see on here about page, blog page, contact, course, and everything. So you can select on, okay, and then click the one single click, and your WordPress will install. Just wait around 2-3 seconds, okay, and done. Your website is around ready. So within a few seconds your website is ready, your WordPress has been installed. So click on here and you can see your website. So just a second, your website, you can see auto SSL is active, and look on here, this is your website. So you can change themes, text, and everything. It is depend on you, okay. And once you buy, then you will get a separate training about how you can build your website. And if you using another hosting, then you will get also how you can host everything on this website, okay. So you can see on here, and let's jump in WordPress admin panel. So you can see this is a WordPress admin panel. Here you can change the themes, you can add a new theme, and it is very simple, very professional. Our team is really hardworking, and they have working too hard to create in this amazing software. And you can look, and you can add new plugins. So everything, just single click, and it is installed, okay, and you can active. So I hope you understand about this software, and this is called HostZone. So this is just very simple and very unique, and the best part is, if you facing any problem anywhere, then I have created a support system, and our backend support team is really highly dedicated for you. And if you have any question, just put your question on here, and you can just write your query and upload just a screenshot and submit to us. And once you submit, then within a 24 hour, within around not just, I'm just recommend just saying 24 hour, but your problem resolve within around 1 to 1 in 2 hours. Okay, so you can send us, and once our team check, then then you will get on here a reply, and your problem will solve.